or scrum? It's a scrum. Yes.
Thank you, sir. Just checking.
That's absolutely right. It is outside.
That's about where Josh kicked it before.
Right, Josh. Right, throw the silly pens now. No, he's down. Right, go. I need someone talking there.
10.
Go.
10. This is outside.
That's right. Yeah.
Crouch. Bind.
Squeeze.
Set.
1, 2, 3, 4. Ready. And no. 1, 2, 3. Good play. It's gone. It's gone. Good.
Try scored.
Yeah! Well, I'm so sorry. Mate, pushed you out of the way. I'm so sorry. I don't care. You did steal me try, but yeah, I am sorry. Ho!
Listen, I didn't get to ask you before the game. What's the rule now with going down? You know, like say if we kick it through, fullback slides onto it on the floor. Do we have to let him back up, or is it up to him to get back up now?
He needs to play the ball. That's his responsibility. Okay. You need to stay on your feet.
Oh, so you can go over?
You can go over him and jackal the ball away from him.
Yeah, yeah.
Because he's got to either release it or play it.
Oh, okay. Right, okay.
Yeah. What you can't do is just drop on top of him. There was never such a thing.
You can never do that.
There was never a thing.
No. Thanks,
it's one of those fallacies, yeah? Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to walk across you then.
Who's going to do it? Who's going to do it? Come on, JJ!
Hey, the sun's come out.
Work hard.
Which way you go? Left.
Good.
There's no real advantage coming from that. There was a knock on by the yellow hand. It's a scrum to blue. On the 5.
Nice and stable, boys.
Went forward in the hand from yellow.
Solid, boys, let's go.
In. Bang. In. Shot. That's better.
Crouch. Bind. Set.
8, 2, 3, 4. Good, good, go! Go!
Jack ball!
Same again!
Leave his head. Too high.
Slow.
Round the neck. Yeah, that's fine. Just put your hands down, yeah? Thank you.
Yeah, got caught up in the second row. Get him up.
I'm going to give those all day for you.
Yeah, no, sorry, I thought I was on the ball, my bad. Marks on me, fellas. We walk in.
Yeah.
That's what we're trying to teach you. Right, let's go.
No advantage coming from there as a knock on. Scrum to blue. On the 15.
So strong. Same again, that was a good scrum, boys.
A really good scrum.
Get on tempo.
Come on, lad. Same again, lose through. Same again, lose through.
You go wide, Josh.
Get it out of the second row, boys. Get this.
Coach!
Get it out.
Bind! Set!
Heat 2, 3, 4.
No! Hey, speed! Hey, out!
Save again, save again! One more! Pull right! Keeper, right! Birrell, right! Ben, right! Ball round the corner! Well, hands on it, sir! He's got release!
Yeah, rest good. Same player, let's go.
Take a knee.
So we got man injured on this. It's our penalty anyway.
It was already part of the ruck. You can't put your hands in the middle of the ruck. It wasn't a tackle and a jackal, it was a ruck, yeah? Let's go.
Boys, we mirror this time. Got a lad. Let's go!
Yeah, just go for it.
Step up, we walk in. John, we walk in. John, we walk in.
Not going to get advantage from that.
I ain't going to lie, ding, it was your
Knock on.
him to give that.
Scrum to yellow.
Sorry, boys, that's full control for sure. It's because you went, that's why he called it.
No, I actually saw it.
Sorry, boys.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
There's no point if I can't. Right, eyes up. Eyes up, target. Eyes up, flank. No penalties. Big drive there, boys, big drive, come on.
Crouch! Bind! No, pre-bind.
Get a better break for out. Get a better break for out, nice and strong.
Yeah, okay. That's what I'm looking for.
Stronger than that, stronger than that.
John, give you some more room, get your legs up, yeah. That's it.
Crouch! Bind! Set!
2, 3, 4. Ready. Ah, no! Drive, boys, drive, hold it, and it's gone! Good girl! Get over, get that ball, leave it, get him out the way! Spread! Yeah.